Hello everybody, welcome to the YouTube channel SAIEDUPHARMAA. Today we are going to discuss different avenues for pharmacy graduates. Means what are the various career opportunities or what are the scopes after taking pharmacy as a course. So what is pharmacy? Pharmacy is the science and technique of preparing, dispensing and proper utilization of drugs. We are very important part of health profession, and pharmacy or pharmacy professionals, they link health sciences with chemical sciences. Pharmacy aims to ensure the safe and effective use of pharmaceutical drugs. We pharmacy people, we not only prepare drugs, we also help in sales, in distribution of the drugs, in the counseling of various medicines. Only the medical practitioners, they do the diagnosis of the drugs, but we pharmacists, we do many other things other than diagnosis. Let us see what is the role of pharmacist and what is a pharmacist. Before going to that, why pharmacy profession is very important. There are three important reasons to pursue pharmacy as health career. First is you will be getting very good salary. Then there will be very good job security and various opportunities are in this field. Like there is diversity of work environment. So according to your interest, you can select any of these career opportunities that we will be discussing. So, medical doctor or a medical practitioner diagnoses the disease, but pharmacist studies medical history of patient and dispenses the prescription. Because pharmacist is best informed person related to qualified related to the various advices he can give, because he is a qualified drug expert and he tells or he or she tells the patient regarding the dosage, incompatibilities and side effects of drugs. So what are the role of pharmacists? Pharmacists are caregivers, decision makers, communicators, leaders, managers and entrepreneurs, lifelong learners and teachers. So their role is in healthcare, research, manufacturing, medical marketing and pharmacovigilance. So if we see various career opportunities or avenues, then we can broadly classify into these three. First is practice settings, second is industry and third is other setting. This was given by IPA, and in practice settings comes community pharmacist, then hospital pharmacist, clinical pharmacist. In industry there is role in production, quality assurance, in R&D, that is research and development, then quality control, which is QC, then packaging, regulatory, sales and marketing. Then in academics, there is teaching role, research, then clinical research, regulatory. These are some of the broadly classified areas in which you can get job after you are completing your pharmacy course. In pharmacy, there are various degrees like diploma in pharmacy, bachelor in pharmacy, masters in pharmacy, then PharmD course is there. Then you can do PhD also in pharmaceutical sciences. So if we see the career scopes or opportunities, then in academics, hospitals, production and manufacturing, R&D, analysis and testing, regulatory bodies, marketing, you can go. So this also I got from internet. This was a chart in which you can see that if you are a competent pharmacist, then you have so many opportunities. But for incompetent and hopeless pharmacists, there is no scope. So you can have long-term care facilities, then you can go in hospital pharmacy, you can become consultant pharmacist, then in federal government, in research, then in management of care, nuclear pharmacy, retail, wholesale, military pharmacy, home healthcare facilities, then pharmacy informatics, internet pharmacy, clinical pharmacy, managed care facilities, then there is ambulatory care pharmacy, veterinary pharmacy, then association management, industrial area management, teaching, marketing, home infusion facilities. There are lots of scopes of pharmacy. According to your area of interest, you can adopt any of these job opportunities after completing your pharmacy. So if you are going to academic side, then if you attain first class B Farm in B Farm, then those students, they are eligible to teach B Farm program. Okay, so for teaching B Farm, minimum you should have M Farm degree. And dear students, if you are already in this profession, if you have already taken the course of pharmacy, then you have to attain first class. This is very important to get good job in various pharmacy colleges. Okay, so you can go not only in teaching field, but also you can become a research scientist. Then you can become a clinical scientist or clinical research you can do. We know that when we perform research, then we first of all do animal testing, then after that we go for human testing phase, and in that there are various type of trials. So when we perform clinical trials, then that comes in clinical research. So a pharmacist can work as clinical research associate, clinical pharmacist, or project manager. Then you can also opt career in regulatory bodies like Food and Drug Administration. You can become inspector to inspect the clinical trial process. You can become drug inspector. You can become food inspector. And for these government jobs, you have to appear and pass the PSC examination. Government organizes various examinations for job in these regulatory bodies. Then pharmacy graduate can work as a regulatory manager also in various companies and contract research organizations, okay, in which you have to prepare various type of regulatory documents like clinical trial approval, permission, then marketing approval, permission, etc. Then you can also go in production and manufacturing. As I told you that in industry there are various job opportunities. You can be chemist, officer, executive officer, manager, vice president. You can be involved in the production of bulk drugs and intermediates or formulations or various types of dosage forms. Dosage forms like tablets, capsules, syrups, parenterals. Okay. Then comes quality control area or quality control department. In this department, basically, when you are preparing in any formulation, then you have to perform evaluation parameters. Then these evaluation parameters are performed by the persons who are in quality control department. And the Drug and Cosmetic Act 1945 Rule 71(1) and 76(1) says that manufacturing activity should be taken up under the supervision of a technical man whose qualification should be B Farm. So if you have B Farm degree, then you can be a person in the R&D department, in the quality control department, and perform these studies. Then another field is medical transcription. The B Farm graduates can work with medical practitioners to maintain the patient treatment history. So you can do this course also, and you can have a good job opportunity even if you are sitting at home. Next area is sales and marketing. So if you like field work, then you can have job of medical sales representatives. Companies prefer pharmacy graduates for this job because we are very well aware with the drug molecules, their therapeutic effects, their adverse effects, then drug-drug interactions. So medical sales representatives is also a good job. You can go in sales and marketing also. Now you also have opportunities in abroad if you want to go to foreign for job or for higher education. There are golden opportunities for qualified pharmacy professionals in various areas, various countries like USA, Canada, European countries like UK, France, Germany, then Gulf countries like Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Southeast Asian countries like Singapore, Korea, Japan, etc. Then for higher education, you will have to qualify GRE and TOEFL examination, and then you will get plenty of higher education and research opportunities. You will be getting excellent job openings, you will be getting scholarships also, and you can go there, you can go to foreign countries and have higher education. Other opportunities are like you can be drug inspector, drug controller, hospital pharmacist, big data analyst, analytical chemist, computational pharmacist, then healthcare management scientist, life cycle management scientist, or customs officer. That is why we said that variety of job opportunities are there after your pharmacy course. But here the candidates need to have computational and management skills in addition to the core technical knowledge. This is very important. So if you are in pharmacy, you are in pharmacy profession, or if you have come and joined pharmacy course, then dear students, do shape your career, do have computer efficiency, do have your skills, your management skills, your laboratory skills, along with the academic knowledge that you are getting in your colleges. So thank you so much. Hope you have gained some insights of various job opportunities or scopes after doing this pharmacy course. Stay connected with us with many more videos.